Worked perfectly. Thank you.
We still have a half.
Okay, we're gonna have to go
Yeah.
because
We kind of keep like
National Andrews right here.
That's yours.
It's mine.
Andrew's got a whole crap ton
That's
of
yours too.
gifts coming.
Uh-huh.
They won't be here till Wednesday the 28th.
Oh.
It was on line basis, and they're from Grandpa.
What's that? Oh, I told you.
Look at
It worked.
Awesomeness.
Looks huge.
This is preparation for 2017.
Oh, you saved Marco.
Yeah.
Marco handed him a nipple.
I said awesome.
I know.
Please.
Here, let me see.
Open your damn gift.
I'm going to.
Like two hair.
More? Yeah, because that came in the mail. That's what I ordered from the mail. Dude, there's one in there that tastes like Monster.
What?
That you do.
Where'd you get the lead?
Dragon Tears, cool, clutch.
The Vape
No, on a website? Where'd you get them
on
at?
a website, and then there was the vape store in Cedar Falls.
Oh. Did that black guy help you up? The
No,
little
little
hat?
short hair guy.
With the big beard?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
I got the pen set, so she showed me.
It's awesome.
She thought they were
Let
gone.
me try them.
I knew they were yours.
You're so not interested.
Face mask.
Perfect.
Here, let's do this one.
Who's this for?
You.
Oh, is it?
Nice, nice. I see another one from Lush.
Oh my god. Look at
Nice,
this.
nice. What was that off of?
What is it?
Milo, back up.
Yeah. It's a Funky shirt.
Milo.
Did you buy yourself some?
We were gonna buy one, get one 50% off.
Oh,
What is it?
no.
It's poop on the back of your foot.
What is it, Bubbers?
Here, put her next.
Yes?
That one's yours.
Can we watch it?
What, that one
The
right
last one. I don't know.
there? Well, it's good because you needed that anyway.
This is for her. You got one too.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Okay.
You needed that. Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. They're birthday.
Oh, really?
Winter poop.
Dang it.
Telling you that you need it.
Son, did you open your purse? Yeah. You like it?
A lot better than the one that she has.
What is it?
Hi, Milo.
Oh, more sticky cups.
You got lots of things.
Awesome.
Here, you got one more. Look at right there. Look at Russell. Look at Russell finally got fucking tape measures. I think was it a 3-pack? I didn't even open the box.
There's four. There's
Four?
Oh, I don't know how to cut this off. I don't have a. Anybody got a lighter? I don't smoke, so I don't have a lighter.
Right over by Russell's scissors.
You got.
In that bag right there, Russell.
Oh.
Look at. Wait, this is the fun one. Wait. Look at. What is it?
Little play balls.
Oh my.
You already have that, don't
Oh wait, this is the ball pit.
There's an actual ball pit?
Yep.
Oh wow.
And there's 100 balls on its way.
Oh my god. Where is she gonna be?
I'm sitting there.
you? Mom, wait to return this.
Mike?
They
Andy's
sent me
helping
the
you out.
wrong thing.
Oh crap. Uh-oh.
Because this isn't the right thing.
Envelopes in it?
Uh-oh.
Just don't open it though.
Yeah.
It's because Mike pet started petting.
You guys have it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Uh-oh.
What did you do, Anthony?
I thought this was like the string that connected it both.
They're still wearable, I think.
You're fucking retarded. I swear to God.
Oops.
Here, just put them on.
You have my card.
That was the most
Here's
sad
my
thing.
check when I did that cup. That's what I spent on you. The circled amount up there
They comfy?
is what I
They
minus
are?
that.
Yeah.
Minus this?
Minus
Where
what you
they
have in
are.
your hand.
We have to
Oh.
do that.
And it'll be here either tomorrow or Tuesday. Transport.
That's the same
Is the
one.
holidays. So is the card in there?
What is it,
That's why I
Bubbers?
gave you
My-
guys the card. So you guys can just go take the money out.
This is the unread directory.
The money that I owe
Yeah.
tomorrow or
no,
Tuesday.
it's
I don't know
not-
which
it's
day. It was
not
supposed to be
even
there
softball.
here yesterday.
I know.
Are you feeding the dog cherry or Fruit Loops?
I got some flavors in the car too, girls, if you guys want to try some of them.
Yeah, no, I want to try mine first.
Awesome.
I don't know, yeah.
Oh, Milo, go! Yeah, Milo, go.
Milo, come here. Come here. Come here, dog.
So tall.
What?
So I left it in my car.
Mom, we have to send that back.
Stay.
Yeah. Give it up to Russell. Give it up to Russell so you can set it up on the desk.
You sent the wrong
There you go.
Just set that on the
Yeah,
desk.
it's in
My
there.
purse in the basement.
Set it up on the desk. You gotta set it back.
Yeah.
They said that
Yeah,
one.
girls, because I
I got a collector's edition. That's the unrated, and it's a different movie. They said they put the wrong movie. And the one that I bought was
and look at that, Bubbers. Is that one for them too, or?
Here, I'll try and find it online.
Oh, yeah, it's for me. Did you see what your brother asked? Ash? Is that one for him too? I said, oh, no, it's for me. I'm gonna write it. Ander, Put it back.
Put it back.
Put it back. Ander! Do they fit?
I'm giving
Yeah.
them 1 star.
They work. They're actually really
The
comfortable.
person that sent me that.
Really warm. But no, I have like 20 some flavors that I don't even like out of the vape juice.
Ander!
No, that's
Ander! No!
Yeah, we should get this.
Get up and grab your kid. I'm trapped.
Ando, come here.
literally retarded.
Come here now. Let go of it.
Yeah,
I know.
Here,
Here, Bubbers.
you can take that tape off.
He's stepping on him.
You keep on
Did you
stepping on
put that
it.
down there?
It's silly.
What is that?
so,
What is it?
yeah, so they're in the.
Here. Let's go try it out over here. Come on. Here.
Dude, I almost like your purse better than
Ander, come here.
freaking Michael
Ander.
Kors.
Ander. Watch, watch.
Right there, what we got.
Okay, this Edison becomes a stain here, but these other ones, we'll go.
So, Mom,
And
Okay.
these ones are staying here.
Okay. Sonny, you see?
No, it was like.
What is? Oh my god. Is he actually doing it? Do I need
You
shoes?
can't reach
Yeah.
the foot pedals yet. We'll get there.
You trying?
Yeah.
Like these shoes?
Mom.
Be careful here. That thing goes 90.
That's good movie.
It's a great movie.
So wait, sit on it.
We gotta lean into the turns.
Dude. Do how you want to do it.
No. No.
Dude.
You
It's gonna do it itself anyway. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that is that a
It's a ball pit.
that's badass.
I know, right?
Why did I not have one when I was a kid?
That's what, but he needs more balls for it.
Where you go, Chop?
That's lit.
You can get all MMA and then
Come here.
Yeah, two of them, we can poke 'em.
You're gonna need way more balls.
I know, right? I'm gonna have to order more than
That's a
100.
baby.
What is that? What are you doing?
Why
Right? That's what I said.
Andrew just took up the living room.
In the red corner.
Really? Show him how to put it in the
It's open.
thing.
Look, look.
Andrew,
There's a thing in there.
Andrew.
This thing's still fully charged. It should be cold.
Andrew, Andrew. Look. Here.
Ah, Jesus.
Where's my box? Oh, it's over here.
It'll be okay. Oh,
Keep that in the balls.
So great.
Here, here's an outfit for him.
Home,
He's got seriously like 4 outfits coming.
Where's
Does
the
it?
So,
Oh wow.
yes.
He
From
did?
Grandpa.
Yeah.
Grandpa.
Oh, Mom, first proposed to Aunt Dawn.
Of course.
Comes out.
I'm like,
No, no, no!
Merry Christmas, you filthy
just-
animal.
He just wants to add some colorful balls to his pet, you know?
I know, I definitely need some more balls. Like 300 more.
bad.
One of them is a monster.
That
That tastes like monster.
Yeah,
But drink.
Watch him.
I know, Mom.
Look at it. It's fine.
Actually, I'm gonna stand out of the way by Russell.
See it over here, brother.
The one with the GoPro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take some of this garbage.
There's now 3 versions of this now.
Milkman?
That's my favorite.
They're berries that they're flavors you'll like.
Yeah, that's bad.
It's the barbarian killer.
Oh,
shit.
Oh, I'm gonna try Jackie Tears
Cover all your
ASAP.
skin, but you see your black is.
Kid's like, fuck this
shit on my
mouth.
Oh, look, you look, dude.
No, no, Andrew.
CD player works in your hand.
I have a Blu-ray player.
He's like, I got this figured out already.
Like, is it a car stereo or just?
That is 150 balls.
This is for
Just a cake.
the Batman movies.
What?
What? About your car. Your
Um,
fucking radio.
Here, give me your
Radio channel. Or,
Sabrina, I want you to try.
Tuner and the volume goes
no,
up.
pretty much
No, I know, but I'm not planning to do that. But mine has one of these, and then Sonny has the other one.
That one menthol one from the vape store, he said use very little.
You got a menthol?
It's like our mint one. It's like a mint one.
But we
You told me
No, the last time I used some mints, like I said, like a berry mints.
that's what it is.
That's cool.
Here.
Yeah, take these out.
Why is he
Bring it here. 1 second.
How's
Hey,
that?
got it,
150 balls.
It does not look like it.
That's what I'm saying.
Sabrina.
What are you doing?
This one, this big bottle is in my red one. Oops. This
Will
one.
you help me? I have too many things in my hand. Help me grab that? Okay, that does not look like
Wow, that is, it's like supposed to be, that thing was like $17 just for that face mask.
It's definitely warm.
I bet with all your hot
I
air.
think I'd go off with the store ice in it.
Oh, nice, Russell. I didn't buy it for you to rob somebody.
Russell's like, hey, look at this. You got hot air hot liquor store later.
What are these, Russell?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, Arena.
Yeah, fuck, I
Those are both
don't know. He
green.
told me, but I forgot. I think the girls got PC starters from my dad. And you have something in
So,
your house.
did you already open
Everyone
yours,
else is
Ash?
safe and in here smoking.
Yeah,
You open yours?
Pretty much.
Oh, okay, guess
I'm not
this is.
fancy now, showing the baby.
Well, that's why I can't throw this one. And then, if you see on this chain, there's,
Andrew, you keep on throwing your little balls around. So, Mom, how do you know about sending it back?
oh, you just gotta start a return, Ash.
Well, I know, but can you, like, complain?
Huh?
Make sure you write a bad review.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, can you yourself complain?
Yes.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know why I
Like
got
a
there.
guy over in the Middle East.
No, I can send you. You can go and rob a store now.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm gonna go off with the store ice. What are you drinking?
No. Thank you.
Also grab that armor underneath your feet. Okay.
That's the bubble berry, the bubble of the apple.
We should probably fix that in a ball field.
You can turn it up if you want to. Other side, pull that out, and then press the button. The right side goes up, the left side goes down.
Their shoes on came over.
You know, look at these new.
Oh crap. So I still feel like
You're gonna have to turn it up because the wattage, because that coil only takes a certain,
Anthony,
yeah,
does that look like $150 to you?
no. And that's the melon, G2 melon.
The Play-Doh tank hits harsh.
Yeah, that's like a different thing.
put the money in the bag, bitch.
Try this.
I give you a pistol.
What's that date?
You're still recording.
It's like unicorn tears.
It's Dragon Tears, but it's good.
That's a lot more mellower than the unicorn tears that the other one.
Yeah, it's the unicorn tears.
Grab your-
unicorn vomit. Unicorn poop.
What?
You're still recording,
Oh.
by the way.
Oh, I'm still recording. What's up, everybody?
It's like.
I guess I'm gonna end this then. Sorry.
Yep, thank